Welcome to square breathing. This is a really great technique for maintaining presence. It can also oxygenate the body and the brain, and it's something that you can do while you're doing other tasks. So it really creates that presence, and eventually I have experienced high states of euphoria while doing this. So not only can it heal and bring vitality to the body, but it can also bring vitality and energy and a high vibration to the brain and your mentality as well. So it's called square breathing because it's a inhale, so it's like a square. So equal inhale, so say 4 seconds, and then hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale 4 seconds, and hold the exhale. And then again, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, and inhale. Good. Now, the exhale and holding the exhale can be the most difficult. This is great though, because generally we tend to freak out or get highly anxious about things that we don't need to be highly anxious about. So this actually trains you to discern the difference between real danger and discomfort. Another thing too is maybe you start with 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, and then you build up to 5 or 6 seconds. All right, enjoy.